So, once again, welcome, dear students. Today, in this topic, we will learn about the important species of important breeds of goat, including Indian and exotic goats. So, till now, we have learned about the important cattle breeds, buffalo breeds, and sheep breeds. So, today, we will learn about the important goat breeds. So, first, we will talk about the important 5 goat breeds which are found and originated in Gujarat. First one is Jhalawadi. So generally this Jhalawadi, their home track is Jhalawad near Surendranagar, Rajkot, Jamnagar and Ahmedabad district it is found, and mainly it is raised for its meat, milk and long hair. Generally here you can see their horns. Their horns are upward, ઉપરની તરફ હોય and they are coiled like corkscrew. જેમ સ્ક્રૂ નો નીચેનો ભાગ વળેલો હોય આખો એવી રીતે વળેલા હોય. So body weight adult male 38 and female 33 kilo. They are large animal. Coat color is generally black. It contained long coarse hair. Coarse એટલે કે ખડબચડા જાડા. Ears are white spotted long, white leaf like and drooping. Drooping means લબડતા આપણે જેને કહીએ. So here you can see here the ears are generally white color. Both sexes have long corkscrew type twisted horn. So just we have seen the horns are upward side and they are twisted like corkscrew. The udder is well developed with large conical teeth. Conical means like this shape. It will be like this. So generally in case of goat there are 2 teeth in their udder, while in case of cattle buffalo they have 4 teeth in their udder. Now litter size. In 82% you will find single kid during kidding and 18% you will find twins. એટલે કે generally ગોટમાં આ જે છે એમાં ઝાલાવાડી ગોટમાં 82% કિસ્સામાં generally એક જ બચ્ચું આવશે પર કિડિંગ, જ્યારે 18% કિસ્સામાં 2 બચ્ચા આવશે પર કિડિંગ. Daily milk yield 2.02 kilo, lactation length 198 days and annual hair production is 245 gram. એટલે કે વર્ષનું 245 ગ્રામ જેટલું એનું શરીર ઉપર જે હેર છે એ મળે. પણ what is the difference is that in case of sheep the wool is sheared, while in case of goat the hairs are only clipped. એટલે કે sheepમાં છે આખે આખું ઊન કાઢી લેવામાં આવે, જ્યારે ગોટમાં એના જે hairs છે એને ખાલી clipped જ કરવામાં આવે. It is only clipped. It is not entirely removed. After Jhalawadi, another breed it is Gohilwadi. So generally their home track is Gohilwad. This near Bhavnagar. It is found in Bhavnagar, Amreli and Junagadh district, and again same as Jhalawadi it is reared for its milk, meat and long hair. So here also you can see their horns. So their horns are not spiral same as Jhalawadi, but it is on the backward side. Here you can see in the back side. ઝાલાવાડીમાં કેમ હતા ઉપરની તરફ, ગોહિલવાડીમાં પાછળની તરફ હશે. So they are large animals. The coat color is black covered with coarse long hairs. Nose line is slightly convex. Convex means bulging. Here you can see the nose line is slightly convex. It is also called as Roman nose. Ears are tubular. Tubular એટલે ટ્યુબની જેમ વળેલા. It means tubular means they are long and turned like tube. ટ્યુબની જેમ વળેલા હોય. Both sexes have slightly twisted horn turned backward. So as I said, here also you can see the horns are on the backward side and it is slightly curved. Body weight adult male 37 and female 36 kilo. 84% there will be single kid during per kidding and 16% there will be teens. એટલે કે 100 વિયાણ થાય માની લો આ ગોહિલવાડીના, તેમાંથી 84% કિસ્સામાં એક બચ્ચું જન્મશે અને 16% કિસ્સા એવા હશે જેમાં 2 બચ્ચા જન્મશે એકસાથે. The daily milk yield 1.7 kilo, lactation length 227 days and annual hair it is somewhat higher as compared to Jhalawadi. It is 317 gram. Then next is Kutchi goat. Generally home track is Kutch. It is also reared for its milk, meat and medium hair. So they are large animal. The coat is prominently black. It means the black color animal. But a few white, brown, spotted animals are also found. The hair is coarse and long. The nose is slightly Roman. Roman means convex. So nose line will be like this. So it is convex, bulging. The ears are long, broad and drooping. Both sex have short, thick horns pointed upward. તો બધા બંને મેલ અને ફિમેલ બંનેમાં જે શિંગડા છે એ ટૂંકા હોય અને ઉપરની તરફ એનો પોઈન્ટ હોય. So here you can see it is on the upward side. The udder is reasonably well developed and teats are conical. So conical means this shape. So body weight of male 43 and female 39, somewhat higher. Your litter size 84% single, 15% twins and about 0.7% triplets will be there during kidding. Daily milk yield 1.84, lactation length 117 days and annual hair clip 229 grams. So same as the goat also, the annual hair yield may be taken approximately twice a year since the animals are sown twice a year. So same as the sheep, the hair of the goat are also clipped twice a year. Then next one is Mesani. It is found in Banaskantha, Mehsana, Baroda and Gandhinagar district. It is also again raised for milk, meat and coarse hair. So generally they are large animals. The coat is black with white spot at the base of ear. So here you can see on the ear you may find the white spot. Nose line is straight. એની જે nose line હોય તો આ રીતે straight હોય, not bulging or Roman nose. Roman nose કે bulging ના હોય, straight હોય. એની nose line એટલે કે નાકની દાંડી. The hair coat is long and shaggy. Ears are white, leaf-like and drooping. So here you can see ears are white. Both male have slightly twisted strong curve upward and backward. So their horns will be like this, upward and backward and slightly twisted. The udder is well developed. The teeth are large and conical shape. Adult male weight 37 and female weight 32 kilo. Litter size 89% single and 10% twins. Daily milk yield 1.3 kilo milk and lactation length 197 days. Then Surti, generally completely white color goat. Home track is Surat, Vadodara, Bharuch and southern Gujarat. It is only raised for its milk and meat because hair content is very less. So they are medium sized animals, generally white in body color, well developed udder and large conical shaped teats. Ears are medium sized. Both sex have small horns directed backward. So here you can clearly see their horns are directed backward side like this. Body weight male 29 and female 32 kilos. Kidding interval 7.8 months. It means at every 7 months or 8 months it will have kidding. Suppose today kidding is there, after 8 months another kidding will be there. So generally આજે kidding થયું હોય તો ફરીથી 8 મહિના પાછું kidding થાય. Now what is the peculiarity? Here you can see in per kidding single 40% will be single but twins will be more, around 50% and triplet 8%. It means out of 100 kidding done by this Surti, generally 40 times it will give single kid, 50 times it will give 2 kids and 8 times it will give 3 kids. એટલે કે માની લો કે 100 તમારી પાસે સુરતી ગોટ હોય એનું તમે કિડિંગ કરાવો તો 100 માંથી 40 છે એક જ બચ્ચાને જન્મ આપશે, 50 છે એક સાથે બે બચ્ચાને જન્મ આપશે ને જે 8 થી 9 છે એક સાથે 3 બચ્ચાને જન્મ આપશે. The daily milk yield is 1.03 kilo. Lactation length 168 days and lactation yield 267.39 liter. So these are the important goat breeds of Gujarat. You have to remember Jhalawadi, Gohilwadi, Kutchi, Mehsani and Surti. Now we will see some of the important goat breeds of India or other state of India. First one, Marwadi, completely black animal, and here you can see their horns are upward side. It is also the main native place is Marwad, Rajasthan, but it is found in large number in our northern Gujarat also. It is reared for its meat and long hair, not milk, because their milk production is very less. So they are medium-sized animal with compact body and strong leg, prominent black with long saggy hair coat. So their hair coat is generally long એના hair છે લાંબા હોય અને black color ના હોય. In about 5% individual white or brown patches are observed. 5% કિસ્સામાં તમને શરીર ઉપર white કે brown color ના તમને ધબ્બા જોવા મળશે. Beard is present in both sex. Beard means દાઢી. Hairs on their face or lower jaw, beard. It is found in both sex, male and female. So ears are flat, medium in length and drooping. Both sex have short pointed horn directed upward and backward. So we have seen the horns are on the upward side. So the body weight in male 33 and mature female 25 kilo. Single liter size generally single. Daily milk kid you can see it is very less, only 0.5 liter. Lactation length 205 days and annual hair 303 grams. Then Jamnapuri goat. The home track is Etha district and hilly areas of UP. It is the dual purpose. It means they are raised for milk and meat both. Generally our goat breeds of India, generally they are dual purpose. So here you can see Jamnapuri goat, and here you can see their ears. Ears are very long and their horns are on the backward side. The breed character wise, Jamnapuri goats are larger in size and are most handsome of Indian goat. સૌથી વધારે સુંદર દેખાય બધી Indian goat breed માં. They are generally white or yellowish tinged with light brown spot on neck and face, sometimes patches tan black formed in the body. So generally white અથવા yellowish color ની હોય, light brown color ના spot ઘણીવાર એના neck અને face માં જોવા મળે. They have long pendulous ear and a prominent Roman nose. So Roman nose means again it is one type of bulging nose line. It is called as Roman nose. They have long legs, hind quarter have long thick hair. They are very hardy and active. The average mature buck 60 to 90 kilo and female 50 to 60. So as compared to other Indian goat breed, generally the body weight is higher in case of male and female both. They generally yield 300 to 400 kilo milk in 10 months of lactation. Fat content is 5.2. They kid once a year, એટલે કે વર્ષમાં એક વખત બચ્ચાને જન્મ આપે, and mostly the twins are common. So Jamnapuri goat give good amount of milk and have meat conformation, so they are well adapted to village condition and rough range. They have contributed in development of Nubian breed of goat. So generally એનું milk અને meat બંને સારી ક્વોલિટીનું હોય, એટલા માટે એને ડ્યુઅલ મિલ્ક અને મીટ બંને માટે રાખવામાં આવે. અને જે ન્યુબિયન કરીને ગોટ બ્રીડ છે એ આ ગોટ બ્રીડ માંથી પ્રોડ્યુસ કરી છે. Then Barbary goat. So it is a dairy type goat. Origin native is East Africa. In India this goat is found most in Punjab, UP and Haryana. Mainly it is raised for milk purpose because their growth rate is very low. So here you can see the breed character. Barbary goats are small in size. They have good dairy conformation. The body color of the goat is white or white with red spot. Generally body coat છે તો white color નો હોય અથવા તો white માં red color ના spot જોવા મળે. They have short legs. Mature buck weight 45 and dose 36 kilo. Male નો 45 કિલો અને female નો 36 કિલો જેટલો વજન હોય. This goat is suitable for stall feeding, so it is found in towns and village. Barbary goat can be kept as family goat. The average milk yield during the lactation is 250 to 300 kilos per lactation with 5% fat. Barbary goat is prolific. Prolific means per kidding it will give birth to more than one young one or 2 or 3 young one. Generally દરેક વિયાણ વખતે 2 કે તેથી વધારે બચ્ચાને જન્મ આપે. So they produce more milk compared to its body. એના body weight ની સાપેક્ષમાં વધારે milk produce કરે. Then comes the beetle. So here you can see the typical Roman nose. Here you can see the nose line bulging. એની જે nose line છે એ bulging હોય. So beetle are found in Punjab and Haryana. It is raised for milk and meat. So here you can clearly see the bulging nose line or Roman nose. So character wise, the beetle goat resemble to Jamnapuri goat but smaller in size and are not so heavy in weight. So generally it seems like Jamnapuri, but Jamnapuri they are very heavy in their body weight, but this beetle it is not that much heavy. So Jamnapuri જેવી દેખાય but Jamnapuri નો વજન વધારે હોય, આનો એટલો બધો ના હોય. The color of body is generally black, red, tan, brown or oftenly heavily spotted on white. તો generally black, red કે brown color ની હોય અને ઘણીવાર તમને બોડી ઉપર સફેદ કલરના સ્પોટ જોવા મળશે. So they have typical Roman nose and long pendulous ear. તો હમણાં જ આપણે જોયું Roman nose and they have curved spiral horns. The buck have beard. Beard એટલે દાઢી. The buck weight about 52 kilo to 75 kilo and does 40 to 50 kilos. The age for first kidding is 20 to 22 months. It means female will give birth to its young one first time at 20 to 22 months. Beetle goat kid gives kid once a year. Twins are common. This goat produce 180 kilo milk in lactation with fat content around 4.5%. Then Black Bengal, one of the India's most famous meat type breed. So origin is Bengal and it is found in West Bengal, Assam and adjoining area. So it is raised only for its meat purpose. So here you can see the Black Bengal. Their horns you can see they are backward side. So character wise they are smaller in size with black color body coat. They have good meat conformation and they have low set body and the ears are erect. So generally black color body coat હોય અને meat conformation માટેની હોય, એટલે કે બહુ ફેટ ના હોય એના શરીરમાં, and they have low set body. એના જે legs છે ટૂંકા હોય અને ears છે erect હોય. Mature buck weight 14 to 15.3 kilo and doe weight 8.4 to 13.5. They are prolific. It means per kidding they give birth to more than 2 or 3 young ones. The kid twice in a year. Normally all the other goat breeds generally kids once a year. જ્યારે આ જે બ્લેક બેંગાલ છે તો એ ફિમેલ છે વર્ષમાં 2 વખત બચ્ચાને જન્મ આપે and it gives twins to triplet every time. 2 का 3 બચ્ચાને દર વખતે જન્મ આપે. They produce milk very low. It is only sufficient for their kids. એનું milk production બહુ ઓછું હોય, એના kids ને પૂરું પડી જાય એટલું જ હોય. They are kept for only for chevan or meat. Skin of Black Bengal is superior and it is in great demand in foreign countries. એની જે ચામડી છે એની foreign country માં demand છે. Then Malabari. Again you can see completely white goat. It is home track is Malabar district in Kerala. It is only raised for its meat purpose. So here you can see the Malabari goat. So Malabari goats are bred in the Malabar district of Kerala and are sometimes called Tellicherry goats. તો ઘણીવાર એને Tellicherry goats બી કહેવામાં આવે. They are bred mostly for meat but also produce milk. Female weight an average 30 kilo while males around 41 kilo. Their body weight are generally white, black or piebald. So generally એને meat માટે રાખવામાં આવે પણ એનું milk production બી સારું હોય. Although they are similar to beetle goat, Malabari goat weight more and have shorter ear and leg. So as compared to beetle, their body weight is more and their ears and legs are shorter as compared to this beetle goat. Then Kashmira. So we have already learned about 2 breeds, Kashmiri goat and Angora goat. They produce world's two most precious or costly hairs. On the body of Kashmira, you will find Pashmina, while on the body of Angora goat, you will find this મોહેર્સ. સો દુનિયાની બે સૌથી ફેમસ છે કે જેના બોડી કોટને સ્પેશિયલ નામ આપવામાં આવ્યું. કશ્મીરી ગોટ છે તો એનું પશ્મિના કહેવાય, અને કશ્મીરી ગોટને પશ્મિના ગોટ બી કહેવાય, ને એના શરીર ઉપર જે ઉગે વાળ એને પશ્મિના કહેવાય. જ્યારે અંગોરા ગોટ છે તો એની શરીર ઉપર એકદમ સોફ્ટ વાળ ઉગે અને મોહેર કહેવાય. સો કશ્મીરી ગોટ generally it is home track is HP, Tibet and Kashmir. It is mainly raised for meat and pashmina hair production. So here you can see their hairs are very long and very soft. So they do not thrive well in plains and humid area. They can withstand very severe cold weather. So generally in the plain areas and humid area they cannot survive. They can only survive very well in hilly areas and cold weather. So generally એ આપણા સપાટ મેદાનો અને ભેજવાળા વાતાવરણમાં રહી ના શકે. એ જનરલી પર્વતીય વિસ્તાર ને ઠંડો વિસ્તાર હોય ત્યાં જ સારી રીતે રહી શકે. એટલે તમને હિમાલયન પર્વતની આજુબાજુના વિસ્તારમાં જ જોવા મળશે. Breed character, generally their coat color is white or black and white. They long curled horns and long ear. Their body is covered with fine silky hair. It is known as pashmina. એના બોડી ઉપર જે સિલ્કી હેર્સ છે એને પશ્મિના કહેવાય. Pashmina grows during winter and is sown in spring. The undercoat is collected by combing for 8 days. The silky hairs are clipped and used for making robes and clothes and namdes. So generally pashmina hair છે એ વિન્ટર દરમિયાન ઉગી ગયા હોય અને સ્પ્રિંગમાં એને કાપવાના હોય, રિમૂવ નથી કરવાના આખા. જસ્ટ સેમ એઝ અવર હેર કટ, ઇટ ઇઝ ઓનલી જસ્ટ કટ. એને કાપવાના અને એમાંથી રોપ અને કપડા બની શકે. ધે આર વેરી વેરી કોસ્ટલી. ધ પ્યોર પશ્મિના સોલ may cost around more than 10,000 rupees. This goat produce very little amount of milk. It is kept for pashmina, silky hair and meat only. They are used as pack animal also. Pack animal means they are used only for meat purpose. So now we will just see the pictures of another important goat breeds of India, and then we will go forward to our exotic goat breeds. So first one is Attapedi Black, then Berari, then Changthangi. So here you can see the beard, દાટી જોવા મળે. Then Chegu, then Gaddi, the long hair breed. Then Ganjam. So in Ganjam you clearly see here the beard, દાઢી તમને clearly જોવા મળશે. Then Chakrana, then Kanyadu, then Konkan Kanyal, then Malabari goat, then Osmanabadi goat, then Sangamneri, then Sirohi. Here you can see the typical spots on red color body coat. Then Pantja, then Teresa, then Kodiadu. So till now we have learned about the important goat breeds of India. Out of this, the most important 5 which are found in Gujarat. Now we will see some of the important exotic goat breeds. So first one is Alpine. So generally the native of this Alpine is Alps mountain in Switzerland. So it is called as Alpine, and it is of excellent quality milk and meat purpose goat. So here you can see the picture of Alpine. So the home track of this breed is cooler and snowfall is common. But the Alpine goats do well in warm climate also. એટલે કે generally એનું native છે cold climate છે, પણ hot climate માં બી એનું production સારું આવે. This breed has been imported in our country and some flocks are kept at Ludhiana. They are kept to evolve a new crossbreed So same as Jersey and HF, we have imported this Alpine goat also to produce new crossbreed goat who have higher performance. Breed character wise, Alpine goats are have perky, short and erect ears, slightly dished face and variable colors such as black, fawn, grey, white or others. So generally Alpines છે તો એના ears છે short અને erect એટલે કે ઊંચા હોય, ઊભા હોય. Slightly dished face એટલે કે concave face. Variable color black, grey, brown, white અથવા તો અલગ કોમ્બિનેશનના કલરમાં જોવા મળે. The beard of the male is quite pronounced. So generally you will find the beard in males. Usually they are polled. Polled means naturally they are hornless. There will be not any horn growth and have shorter hair coat. Adult buck weight 65 to 80 kilo and adult female weight 50 to 60 kilos. So here you can see the milk production. It is very high, around 950 kilo milk per lactation with 58 kilo butter fat you can make from that. They have 3 to 4% milk fat in their milk. So generally milk production જો તો આપણી as compared to Indian goat it is very high. એનું પ્રોડક્શન કેટલું છે તો કે 915 કિલો પર લેક્ટેશન અને એમાંથી તમે 58 કિલો જેટલી બટર ફેટ મળે અને એનું ફેટ પર્સન્ટ જોવો મિલ્ક ફેટ પર્સન્ટ તો 3 થી 4% હોય. Then second one, another excellent quality milk breed of goat, it is Saanen. So here you can see it is the completely bright and here you can see their ears also. The ears are erect. Ear છે તો ઊભા હોય. The home track is again Switzerland. So here you can see the picture of Saanen. So it is originated in Switzerland and famous for its high milk production and persistence. It means it will produce high milk for longer time. The high milk production will be persistent. એનો મતલબ શું થાય કે generally જે સ્વિટ્ઝરલેન્ડમાં જોવા મળે એનું ઓરિજિન છે અને મિલ્ક પ્રોડક્શન તો વધારે છે પણ એ મિલ્ક પ્રોડક્શન લાંબો સમય સુધી ટકી બી શકે. So breed character, Saanen is white or light cream color. So they may or may not have horns. The face of the Saanen may be straight or slightly dished. એટલે કે એનો જે નોઝ છે આપણે કહીએ નોઝ લાઇન અથવા ફેસ એ સ્ટ્રેટ હોય અથવા તો થોડુંક ખાડાવાળું સ્લાઇટલી ડીસી હોય. The ears point upward and forward. તો હમણાં જોયું એમ ears are generally erect. The mature male or buck weight 90 kilo and female or doe weight 65 kilo. The milk kid of Saanen doe, here you can see why it is the one of the we can say world's best milk type breed, because the milk production is more than even our Gir and Kakraj cattle. Milk production is 2200 kilo per lactation with 87 kilo fat. Fat content is also 3 to 4%. તો તમે જોઈ શકો એનું મિલ્ક પ્રોડક્શન જનરલી આપણી ગીર ગાય જેટલું હોય 2200 કિલો પર લેક્ટેશન. સો ઇટ ઇઝ રિગાર્ડેડ એઝ ક્વીન ઓફ ગોટ વર્ડ. જે ગોટ્સ છે એમાં એને ક્વીન તરીકે ઓળખવામાં આવે સાનેનને. Then next is Toggenburg. So here you can see completely the beard. It is again originated in Switzerland and same as Alpine and Saanen, it is again well known for its high milk production. So here you can see the clear picture of Toggenburg and here you can see the clearly grown beard. So it is originated in Switzerland and it is the most prominent dairy goat in USA also. It is found in large number in USA. Characteristics wise, the color of the Toggenburg varies from brown to dark chocolate. There are white spots on ear, face, leg and below hock and knee. So generally એનો કલર છે બ્રાઉન થી ડાર્ક ચોકલેટ જેવો હોય અને એના ઇયર, ફેસ, લેગ, હોક અને ની જોઈન્ટની નીચે ત્યાં તમને વ્હાઇટ કલરના સ્પોટ જોવા મળશે. Mature doe weight 60 kilo and mature male weight 80 kilograms. Toggenburg does yield 2500 to 2600. So same as again as per our indigenous cattle, the milk production is almost high. So you can see these exotic breeds such as Saanen and Toggenburg, they are so much genetically improve that their milk production is more than our indigenous cattle. એટલી બધી genetically improve છે કે એનું milk production આપણી indigenous cattle જેટલું અથવા એનાથી વધારે હોય. So generally the lactation length is 10 months. On an average milk fat percent is 3%. Then next one is Nubian. So this Nubian, it is the home track of this Nubian is Nubia in northeastern Africa. And again, same as Toggenburg, Saanen and Alpine, it is known for its high milk production. So here you can see the Nubian, the native is Africa. So they are native Nubia in Africa and they have been developed in England called as Anglo Nubian. So generally એનું native છે એ આફ્રિકામાં છે પણ જે એને ઇંગ્લેન્ડમાં લાવી અને નવી બ્રીડ ઉત્પન્ન કરી જેને એન્જલો નુબિયન કહેવામાં આવે. Anglo Nubian was developed by crossbreed of Nubian with Jamnapuri bucks on native does. So this Anglo Nubian, it is called as crossbreed. It is developed by crossing the British female goat with Nubian buck and Jamnapuri bucks. Characteristic wise, Nubian it a aristocratic appearance. Color of Nubian goat varies from white to black, red tan and combination of other. તેનો કલર white થી black અથવા red tan અથવા તો જુદા જુદા કલરનું કોમ્બિનેશન જોવા મળે. They have a large drooping hillier and practically Roman nose. So we all know that Roman nose means the nose line is bulging. So it has long hairs. The mature male weight 85 and doe weight 65. So here also another we can say importance in case of exotic breed. Generally the body weight also almost 2 times as compared to our indigenous goat breed. આપણે indigenous goat breed કરતા exotic જે main breed છે તો એનું body weight भी almost double હોય. The milk production is 1900 kilo per lactation, out of which you can make 88 kilo butter fat and it is 10 month lactation. They are known as Jersey among the goat. જેટલી બી બ્રીડ છે એમાં એને જર્સી તરીકે ઓળખવામાં આવે because their milk production is as high as Jersey cattle, as well as you can see the milk fat percent is also high, 4 to 5. So always remember, queen of goat word it is Saanen and Jersey of goat it is this Nubian. તો ખાસ યાદ રાખજો, queen of goat પૂછવામાં આવે તો Saanen અને Jersey among the goat પૂછવામાં આવે તો એ છે Nubian. Then Angora. We have discussed many times about this Angora goat because the hair grown on this body is given a special name. It is called as mohair. The home track is Turkey. It is only raised for its mainly mohair production. So you can see the picture of Angora. So it is a native of Turkey which is dry and extreme temperature. Angora goats are extremely bred in USA, South Africa for mohair production. So એનો native છે ટર્કી પણ મોટી સંખ્યામાં તમે USA અને સાઉથ આફ્રિકામાં એના મોહેર પ્રોડક્શન માટે જોઈ શકો. Breed character wise, Angora is comparatively small in size and its legs are much shorter. તો બીજી exotic breed કરતા Angora છે સાઇઝમાં નાની હોય અને એના legs છે બી ટૂંકા હોય. It is more like a sheep in appearance than goat. Generally તમને sheep જેવું વધારે દેખાય. Its back is straight and the body is blocky. Blocky means generally we can say barrel is larger. It has long pendulous ear. Both male and female are horned. It means both in the male and female whenever they mature they will be horns. બંને જ્યારે મેલ અને ફિમેલ મેચ્યોર થાય ત્યારે તમને એમાં હોર્ન્સ જોવા મળશે. Mature buck weight 70 kilo and female weight 50 kilo. Angora goat is kept for their fine fleece hair known as mohair. તો અંગોરા ગોટની ઉપર જે વાળ ઉગે એને મોહેર કહેવામાં આવે. It possesses high tensile strength and spiral lock. Mohair is clipped twice a year. Angora goat produce 2.5 kilo mohair in a year. તો generally અંગોરા goat છે એની ઉપર જે મોહેર ઉગે વર્ષમાં 2.5 કિલો જેટલું મળે તમને. વર્ષમાં 2 વારે કાપવાનું હોય એટલે ટોટલ 2.5 કિલો જેટલું મળે. The Angora goat thrives well in dry climate subject to extreme variation in temperature. તો એ ગમે એવા dry climate માં રહી શકે. India has also imported some Angora goat and started course breeding program with native goat. તો આપણે ઇન્ડિયામાં બી કેટલની જેમ આજે અંગોરા ગોટ્સ છે એનું બી આપણે ઇમ્પોર્ટ કર્યું છે અને એનું આપણી નેટિવ ગોટ સાથે બ્રીડિંગ કરાવી સુપીરિયર ક્રોસ બ્રીડ બનાવીએ છીએ. So this was the important exotic goat breed in which we have learned Alpine, Saanen, Toggenburg, Nubian and Angora. So now we will see some of the photos of breeds of other species. This is not for your we can say coursework, but it is only for information. So first we will start with the horses. So in the horse, the main we will see only indigenous breeds or originated is India. આપણે એવી બધી બ્રીડ જોશું કે જે ઇન્ડિયાની છે. તો હોર્સમાં વાત કરીએ તો ભૂટિયા. Then most famous કાઠિયાવાડી. What is the peculiarity of કાઠિયાવાડી? That their tip of the ear can touch each other. એની જે ઇયરની ટીપ હોય એકબીજા સાથે અડી શકે. Then મણિપુરી. Another special we can say well known horse of India, it is Marwadi. Then in the hilly area you will find the horse Spiti. Then Janskari. Now regarding the camel, the most famous camel breeds of India are Bikaneri, Jaisalmeri, then in our Kutch, Jalori and Kutchi. The Malvi camel. Then Marwadi. Then Mewari. The Mevti camel. Kharai camel. Now we will see some of the important Indian chicken breeds. We will learn in detail in our next course, LPM 6.2. So, Ankleshwar, then Asil, then Bursa, then Danki, then Daothigir, Ghagas, Kadaknath, the most important meat type breed of India, Kadaknath. Why? Because their body color is black as well as their meat also will be black due to high amount of nutrients. Then Kalasthi, Kashmir Fevrola, Miri, Nicobari, Punjab Brown, Telecherry, Mewari and Kunayan. So friends, by this we end the important breeds of cattle, buffalo, sheep and goat. So if you found any difficulty regarding these topics, feel free to ask at any time and we will meet again with next topic. So till then, thank you and goodbye.